अच्छा, तो
See,
वो उधर वाला क्या करूँ, फिर इधर से कराऊँ कि
tell me
उधर
how
वाला ही
many
करा जो
questions
आपने बोला?
people are studying regarding assignment fifth.
हम्म।
Uh, what
मतलब
what is second question? Assignment fifth. Second
हाँ
question.
हाँ, लेकिन जैसे इधर वाले दो में तो नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन अहमदाबाद साइड पे मिल जाए तो बढ़िया ही है ना। अहमदाबाद साइड ही मैं चल रहा हूँ फिर एक दो
Practical
दिन।
significance of operator.
हम्म।
Reduction operator.
हम्म। हम्म। तो कोई नहीं, एलर्जी का ही पता कर लो, एलर्जी का भी कांटेक्ट नहीं।
Lavanya.
अरे वो तो मेरे को तो ना काफ़ी उससे है ना, मतलब
Yes, sir.
काफ़ी
Right
टाइम
now,
से।
explain me. I will go
हम्म।
to question right now.
Okay, sir.
हाँ ठीक।
Where we use these
हम्म।
operators. What is the use?
ठीक है भैया।
What it refers to? This is reduction operator. Means reducing the code. You take any one value A, then do operation. B is equal to 0. What does it mean? B is equal to 1. What does it mean? Tell me.
It's saying that when will b equal to 1 and when will b equal to 0. So for that and a is like
Hmm.
you take any bit number a which has only zeros. Like if it has even a single zero, b is equal to 0. If it doesn't have any zero, then b will be equal to 1.
You will take A value, then assign, and your output will get it based on that. This is shift operator. You done earlier in the first question. Shift of left shift, right shift. I had done a 3, 4. Like this only you people done this question also. This one, D question. This 65 into 37. One 65 into 37 is there na? You do earlier. I given one. This question left shift, right shift. I kept a left shift to 4. Like this, you converted this in binary, then do simple way. Or else another method is there that is you available in PPT. You can study. Simple way is do binary calculation, then do shift operation. You take left shift, right shift, 2 is enough for this operation. This is coming to vector and array. Tell me what is the difference between vector and array? List down what all operations are possible with vector. List down what all operations are possible with arrays. What is not possible? But taking only one element of array, all operations are possible. Okay, tell me what is the difference between vector and scalar? I will. What is the difference between scalar and vector? Can anyone tell me vector prototype, vector syntax, prototype or declaration? Tell me vector syntax. Syntax or declaration or prototype are same meaning. Prototype. What is scalar? Lavanya, what is scalar? Scalar is a single bit vector. For example, reg is equal to a. This is my variable a. That data type is reg type. You take an integer a comma b comma c also. But scalar means single bit vector only. Single bit. You take integer a also valid. Example. What is vector? Tell me vector declaration. How I will do
A
vector?
bit,
Huh?
a group of bits, like
What are
where
Sailaja,
matrix.
whatever you done, 8-bit vector, okay. 8-bit vector, where that is size, not whatever you done, Sailaja, that is not correct. Tell me vector syntax. Can anyone? No,
Data
vector
type,
represent this. Data type, okay, correct.
size,
size, okay.
data, like vector name,
Vector name or variable name? Vector name or variable name. Now give me example.
reg,
My data type is reg, okay. This is data type. This is size. This is vector name or variable name. Tell me size.
MSB 7 and LSB 0.
7 down to 0, okay.
Vector is A.
It refers vector showing always width only. This is 0 to 7 size. The data type is reg type. Reg means 0 or 1. In that my vector like this random values is there up to 7. That vector name is a A. This is only vector syntax. This is data type. This is size 0 to 7. Deep understand? This is vector syntax. Data type, size, vector name or variable name. This is vector name A as 7-bit, 8-bit data. The data is reg type. The data is reg type. Reg means 0 or 1 in the vector. Okay, next. You people do all this. In this theory questions I will bring PPT also. Same operator symbol, different meaning. Logical and this is small and what all possible are operators. Earlier I have done this one. A is equal to 6. You people do. After this calculation, do this. Substitute this A, B, C values. Instead of 0x, you kept
Hello.
minus 6
हाँ
or
भैया
6 minus 9 x. You people are confusing this one.
पिछली बार
let
तो
me
वही
know.
पालनपुर चेक करवाया था सुरेंद्र गुप्ता के यहाँ।
Change the values, that is enough.
नहीं
First
एलर्जी
you
का
will
नहीं
take
है, लेकिन उसने बोला था
module
चेकअप
B,
करने की, चेक
then
टेस्ट
declare
करवाया था ओनली।
integer
वो
A,
डॉक्टर नहीं है, वो डॉक्टर
integer
तो
ABC,
अहमदाबाद में अभी पता किया एक
then
डॉक्टर
assign
है,
in the procedure block A
लेकिन
value,
देख रहा
B
हूँ कल
value, C
तो
value.
टेस्ट वेस्ट
In the
कराने के
dollar
बोला
display,
उसने, तो
the
बोला कि
procedure
कल
block,
बोला
initial
कि
beginning
जब
block
आना
you
हो तो
kept
लिखवा देना नाम और टेस्ट
dollar
7,000 रुपये
display
लगेंगे,
string
बोले 7
A
या
and
10,000
B is
रुपये।
equal to A and B. Do like this.
हाँ
In the say
हाँ
after this values you take one more module or else you change it. Do comment and apply these values. That is the difference. See here. Write example to show you the difference. Okay. Logical inversion, bitwise inversion. This is
हाँ
also theory concept you people study. What is the output of logical inversion, bitwise
हाँ
inversion?
तो
Bitwise inversion means
नाम हम पता है ना, वो
if
भेजा
1
है,
is
मैं
there, it
भेज
will
क्या
convert it to 0. 0 means 1. What about
ठीक है
logical
ठीक है
inversion?
ठीक है।
Tell me anyone. You people completed this very long operators topic. What is my output coming inversion and bitwise inversion output? Logical inversion output coming single bit or multiple bit? Lavanya and this Harsha Bhaktini. Tell me the difference between logical and
Sorry,
bitwise
yes,
inversion. Please don't tell wrong answers.
no. Okay.
Just think and tell. Don't waste your time and energy unnecessarily.
Sir, I'm saying that logical not is getting single bit value, whereas bitwise will be the entire bit getting complemented. Is this wrong or is this correct, sir?
We will ask a question.
No, I'm not, sir. I'm saying whether I'm wrong, sir. You tell me what's wrong, sir.
Sir?
Harshavardhini, na? Please tell me your name because I am explaining in laptop. Don't want you. Tell your name and explain. That's enough.
Okay, sir. Sir, actually, logical not means only single bit, sir. But whereas
Yes.
bitwise will give you the complement of the whole bits.
Sir, I also told the same answer. Why is my answer wrong, sir?
Who said your answer wrong?
Now only you told no, sir. Don't tell wrong answer.
I am said you think and let me know. You only assumption hallucination. You only think yourself my answer is wrong. That much confidence is there for you. PPT itself is somewhere they mention. See. This is see here logical inversion and bitwise inversion. Bitwise means invert all the bits. Logical means if any one of one is 1, not equal to true, false. True, what is inverse? False only, na? C one tick B 0. This is my A value. I am doing bitwise operation of my A. 0 1 double 0. 0 converted to 1, 1 0. Both double 0 double 1. Simply think you people bitwise means inversion. Whatever bits that is inverted. Logical inversion means logically true. Why? Because if any one of the 1 is 1, it enter. Even is there any one of that variable declaration? It's considered as the 1 only. This is the difference. Next, you do this bit operation, same bitwise operators only. You take any one variable AB and assign that variable to C. Same this thing also. Third question. In above operator, what is operator? What is operand? Tell me. What is operator? What is our? Tell me which type of operator is there. Lavanya.
Shift operator, sir.
Which shift is there here?
Left shift.
Left shift, sir.
What is operands here? Operands.
B and C are operands, sir.
Okay. Same thing, that is answer. How shift operator makes multiplication easier to implement? You people only think this theory questions in yourself. See, this is what is the difference between logical NOT and bitwise inversion. You do this in your system, then you people do multiple values, and then you people are getting idea regarding this question. A is -1, B 1, C is equal to A and B. What will be C? Harshavardhini, tell me answer, Vardhini, this one. What I will do -1? I will do on type right now. Tell me anyone guess answer for that one. You people completed operator topic completed or not? Then tell me. Deepa, you can study that question and let me know. What is that question? No, fifth question. Sure. Okay, right now my system is working so much busy compared to me. So you people do in your system tomorrow because time also very less right now. Okay. Tell me what is A value? What is A value? -1. B value? 1. Then C is equal to A logical and B. Then dollar display. What is -1 refers? How I will convert this -1? Have people done this type of question in digital or not? Vardhini, tell me what is -1 refers here? -1 is logically true or not?
-1 refers signed bit.
What?
Signed numbers it is.
Signed number. Then what I will do? How I will convert to -1 to
Complement. We'll be
+1?
taking one's complement.
Complement. Okay. Then next what I will do? What is its original value? -1 original value. Warning, you know what is -1 original value? This is 10. Because minus refers. Tell me Vardhini, what is answer?
A and B
One.
equals to 1, sir.
You people do completed in digital assignment now, then you people are know why -1 value here. If you don't know, I will give some task to you people. I will give -21, A value that one. I will do +3, 4. You will do with this type of questions tomorrow. I will ask you people. -12 +3, 4. You assume this is a 1A value and B value. Take photo and screenshot and let me know tomorrow. I am also do same thing. I will ask these questions to you people tomorrow. Okay. Why you people are forgetting digital? Why -1 also could not respond to you? If I will kept one exam, my mask interview, then what you will do? Just use digital completed 20 days back approximately. After 7 months, what is your status? You said simply, I am not TV student. You said simply like that only after 7 months. I don't know what you people are doing daily.
नहीं
If integer value is
बना हुआ
32.
नहीं है कुछ भी तो बना
B
दो
is
फिर
1.
हैं?
C is equal to A and B. 1 into 1.
तो बना देना रोटी तो बना दे
Because I taken binary. Only 0 or 1 only considering. This is 32 bit. If you want, count it. See, 32 number 32 is there. So do like this example. Next question. This is how many reduction operators can make vector analysis. This is also available in PPT, you can study. Or theory questions, so whatever is there, I will explain logical type of questions only. How the operator uses difference with vector and others. You study that also. See here. We have a register which is 16 bits. We want to always write 7 down to 4. Always I need to keep to 1. Irrespective of other bit values. How can we implement this using bitwise operators? I want to make 7 down to G4 with always zeros. 4 will zeros. Just you can study one more time and let me know.